Are you looking for a drone with camera for video shooting? In this video, I will show you the 5 best drones with camera for video shooting based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the DJI Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. Stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic, fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 42.3 miles per hour in sport mode. Master creative aerial shots thanks to effortlessly smooth 4K/60 FPS video. The DCI flat color profile retains more imaging information for post-processing. The 4th product on the list is the Stone HS110D. For those that are on a budget, this drone is for you. Stone HS100 Navigator is an intelligent RC quadcopter, equipped with an advanced GPS system. The high-definition 2K camera allows you to take quality aerial footage. Equipped with the new Follow Me feature, this drone will stay above you automatically, keeping the camera centered on you at all times and capturing your every move. With a newly created intelligent battery, you will get flight times up to 18 minutes, giving you a more extensive flight experience. Built-in altitude hold function allows drone to fly while it's height locked. GPS mode enables precise positioning and prevents losing the drone. The 3rd product on the list is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Mavic 2 Pro with Hasselblad camera are made in Sweden. Hasselblad cameras are renowned for their iconic ergonomic design, uncompromising image quality, and Swedish craftsmanship. Trajectory prediction algorithms help to maintain tracking when your subject is blocked by an obstruction temporarily. In open and unobstructed environments, the Mavic 2 can track fast-moving subjects like cars and boats at speeds of up to 72 km/h. When tracking a target, the Mavic 2 can plan a flight path on its 3D map. It will read, recognize, and avoid obstacles in front of and behind the aircraft, all while shooting your target without interruption. An improved HDR algorithm blends a sequence of photos for higher dynamic range and less unwanted artificial effects. The 2nd product on the list is the DJI Mavic Mini. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, which in many countries may exempt it from certain regulations. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. The 1st product on the list is the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Powered by a 1/2.3-inch 12MP sensor with up to 4x zoom, including a 2x optical zoom, the Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspectives. Capture everything from wide-angle to mid-range shots for even more creative options. The Mavic 2 was designed to optimize propulsion, lower power consumption, and reduce noise. These subtle yet powerful improvements, along with an improved flight autonomy system, offer a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion and safety. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.